Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Longley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for April 6th to 18th. I have to apologize for the graphics. I don't know if you see it the way it is here, but it's just black and white. And I apologize for that. We're working on the problem. The forecast for April 6th to 10th, we have a blocking flow that remains across the high latitudes of the northern hemisphere and will continue to have implications on the weather across the nation. A ridge is forecast across eastern Siberia and is forecast to persist but gradually weaken. And implications of this feature will include negative height anomalies near Hudson Bay due to this upper low here over eastern Canada will result in a cyclonic flow from the northern plains to the northeast. A cold air mass, along with a potential light snowfall, is expected for portions of the upper Mississippi Valley to the eastern seaboard. Some locations in the northern plains and the Midwest could experience temperature anomalies greater than 15 degrees below normal. The Gulf Coast will experience widespread showers and thunderstorms. Heavy precipitation is forecast for portions of the West, but particularly California. Now, talking about the system that might affect us later in the period, we're going to look here. This is the GFS ensemble members. And like I said, I apologize for how this looks. Let's see if I can fix this a little bit. Okay, I guess this is about the best I can do. But I'm going to go to I'm going to go back a little bit to the beginning, and we're going to watch. Here's our low here, and here it is here, here, here. We're going to watch how it progresses. And you can see like it has precipitation here along the East Coast. Some of this might be snow. And I don't know, I think this right here is the 540 line, the freezing line. So south of many of the major East Coast cities. And that remains true on a lot of these ensemble members. Now, on another thing, oh wait, I want to show you something else. Let's see. Okay, this is the geoheight anomalies, the temperatures. Here's the freezing line here. This is European. And then concerning like the heavy precipitation forecast for California, this is a setup of the atmospheric river that will be setting up, and this will send multiple rounds of precipitation into the West Coast. You can see it leads right in here. So what else I want to show you? Okay, we're going to go to the next page. I guess that's it right now. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for April 9th to 13th. And here we are at the 9th. We have our upper low here, strong cyclonic flow across this area here. And this trough here will build towards the East Coast. We have a weak ridge in the west. And then we go forward in time. We're going to go to the 13th. And we look at the rest of the models. You can see that this ridge kind of slides to the east. We have our ridge here, still a trough across this area. So the models are good agreement. And then we take a look at the European Weekly. Here's a trough. Here's the ridge. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for most of the west. Forecast anomalies of 48 degrees below normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast here. And I'm forecasting anomalies to be about 48 degrees below normal, maybe higher anomalies across the northern plains. For precipitation, above normal precipitation is forecast here and for here. and probability of occurrence 45 to 55%. Below normal precipitation is forecast. For this region here, probability of occurrence is 40%. Now we're going to look at the period for April 14th to the 18th. And we're going to start a little bit at 15. Now you can see the difference of the flow here. It's kind of it's more flatter than compared to what was back here or even here. I'm looking at various models. So the flow kind of flattens, and we still have very weak height anomalies across much of the nation. So therefore, for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here, anomalies of 4 degrees above normal, below normal temperatures here. Anomalies also near 4 degrees below normal due to almost a zone of flow. Temperatures are too extreme. And for precipitation, call for above normal precipitation here and here. Forecast of occurrence is 45%, and below normal precipitation is forecast here. Anomalies, probability of occurrence is 45%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for April 6th to the 18th. Thanks for coming to Jim Mullins World of Weather, and have a good day.